Welcome to USchool, an innovative e-learning platform offering life-changing online courses with lifetime access. Our innovative virtual classrooms provide a transformative learning experience. At USchool.Asia, we curate the best information, providing clear, step-by-step guidance to help you strive through overwhelming information and achieve complete transformation. Join us and discover a seamless, easy-to-follow path from novice to expert, where all your questions are answered in one place, allowing you to digest and apply knowledge as soon as possible. Your journey to personal growth begins here at USchool. At USchool, we stand out as your best companion for e-learning due to our unwavering commitment to providing an exceptional and transformative educational experience. Here's why: expertise and trust. Our platform is home to a diverse array of courses led by industry experts, thought leaders, and experienced educators. We prioritize trust and expertise, ensuring that our learners have access to instructors who are not only knowledgeable but also passionate about guiding individuals through their learning journey. Curated and comprehensive content. We understand that the modern learner is often overwhelmed with information. Therefore, our courses are meticulously curated to offer the best and most relevant content. Our comprehensive approach provides a clear, step-by-step path from acquiring knowledge to its practical application, ensuring a complete transformation in the shortest possible time. Immediate solutions to real-world problems. We recognize the urgency of the challenges our learners face. Our courses are designed to address immediate needs, offering practical solutions that can be applied in real time. By providing timely and relevant knowledge, we empower individuals to take action and achieve tangible results. Lifetime access and virtual classrooms. At USchool, we offer lifetime access to our courses, allowing learners to revisit and reinforce their knowledge at their own pace. Our exclusive virtual classrooms provide an interactive learning environment, fostering engagement and collaboration among our community of learners. Personal growth and achievement. Our platform is dedicated to fostering personal growth and achievement. We are committed to providing a transformative learning experience that empowers individuals to achieve their full potential and embark on a journey of lifelong learning and success. USchool is your best companion for e-learning due to our dedication to expertise, curated content, immediate solutions, lifetime access, and our unwavering commitment to personal growth and achievement. Join us at USchool and unlock a world of opportunities for personal and professional development.